Hello and welcome to another round of Task Tuesday. I'm Kristen Seaholm, your guide at the KS Experience, where we help event businesses transform event chaos into organized success stories. Today, we're diving into a strategy that's a game changer for anyone in our field, and it's called the Eisenhower Matrix. Now, this is not just any tool. It is your secret weapon for prioritizing tasks and boosting productivity. Ready to master your events with clarity and confidence? Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the Eisenhower Matrix principles. The Eisenhower Matrix sorts tasks by urgency and importance. Quadrant 1 is for the do-it-now tasks. Quadrant 2 is for the strategic planning. Quadrant 3 includes distractions to delegate. And Quadrant 4, well, those will be the tasks you can drop or delay. Understanding these 4 quadrants is key to navigating the maze that is event planning. Step 2, listing your tasks. Start by listing every task, from venue booking to collecting post-event feedback. Then, categorize them into the matrix. This visual breakdown is a powerful step toward prioritization mastery. Looking for a digital tool to capture your matrix? Canva's whiteboard function would be my top recommendation. Step 3, prioritizing Quadrant 1. Quadrant 1 tasks are your top priority. Address these immediately to prevent any event day crisis. Allocating dedicated time here will ensure you're always ahead of the game. Step 4, planning for Quadrant 2. Quadrant 2 is your strategic gold mine. Here, focus on long-term planning and relationship building. Scheduling time for these tasks ensure they don't become last-minute urgencies. Step 5, delegating Quadrant 3. In Quadrant 3, identify tasks that seem urgent but aren't critical for success. Delegate these where possible, keeping your focus on what truly matters. Step 6, eliminating or deferring Quadrant 4. Quadrant 4 is where you find your time wasters. Be ruthless here in eliminating or deferring these tasks. This is all about working smarter, not harder. Step 7, regularly review and adjust. As we all know, event landscapes can change rapidly. Regularly review your matrix, adjusting priorities to match the evolving demands of your events. Flexibility here is key to staying on top of your game. All right, now go ahead and imagine that you're part of the planning for a large corporate conference. Using the Eisenhower Matrix, you prioritizing securing keynote speakers, Quadrant 1, and building sponsor relationships, Quadrant 2. Delegate repetitive vendor communications, Quadrant 3, and eliminate unnecessary meetings, Quadrant 4. The result? A smoothly executed conference that's music to everyone's ears. By integrating the Eisenhower Matrix into your event planning toolkit, you're not just organizing tasks, you're strategizing for success. From urgent firefighting to long-term vision casting, this method brings clarity, focus, and efficiency to your event planning process. I'm Kristen Seaholm, reminding you that in the world of event planning, prioritization isn't just a skill, it's an art. Until next time, keep planning, keep prioritizing, and keep creating unforgettable experiences.